Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add shapes and lines to the scenes in your Google Vids. So you're editing your Google Vids project and you get to a scene and you need some sort of shape. If you go to Insert, Shapes and Lines, the side panel over here opens up. You've got lines you can choose from, shapes, arrows, callouts, equations, or other math symbols. Let's say we click on shapes and we see all of the different shapes that we can add. Let's add a lightning bolt here. So I add the lightning bolt. Now this is of course going to be customizable. If you're familiar with Google Drawings or Google Slides, you can customize these shapes pretty much like you would any other shape. So if I want to change the fill color to say something a little bit more blue, maybe change the border color to something a little bit more red, change the border thickness, make it a little bit more visible. You can get the shape that you want, and once you have it inserted, you can customize it to make it look exactly like you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.